Here's how to fix the Google Play Store if it's not working. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on apps. From here, simply search for Google Play Store. Once you find the application, tap on it and then scroll down, tap on storage, click on clear cache, and you can also try clearing the data, confirm when prompted. Now after that, go back to Google Play Store app info page, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select uninstall updates. This will replace the current version with the factory version. If none of these steps work, you can restart your phone, press and hold the power button. You may also need to hold the power down button and then tap on restart. Hopefully, after your phone restarts, the problem will be solved. Or you can also try disabling the application and enable it again, or force stop this application and enable it again. Go to permissions, make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app, then go to battery and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. And by following these simple steps, this should help you fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.